Alex from Escape Domain, here to show you today how to secure your canopy on the grass. Okay, so a couple basic sort of tips to ensure that your canopy is not going to fly away. So what I've done here is I've set up my gazebo or canopy, depending on which country you're in. So I've set it up, ready to roll. So the next step is now anchoring that into the grass. Alright, so tip number one for securing your canopy on the grass: make sure you use your guy lines or fly ropes to secure these corners down. So my canopy here today has some corners built in to the canopy. You can also just tie them to the frame of your gazebo as well. Okay, so you can just tie a rope to the frame underneath and pull those out at the corners. Okay, so with this particular canopy, they've given me a straight inline peg and also a T-peg or your typical tent peg. So these ones will be used on the fly rope, these ones go on the legs, so they just tap straight in. And these ones are used on the corners. Ensure it's nice and tight. Alright, so that's a really good corner. I'm going to do that on all four corners. Trick number two is using weight bags on the corner of your canopy. So these are literally just filled with sand, and you know, you can fit enough sand in there for them to weigh 20-30 kilos.